Okay, so hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna look a little different, actually, like a person today. We're on the way to Southern Hills Farms. We've been here before. Last time we went, there was like a huge sunflower maze. We picked strawberries, we picked veggies. I don't know what they have this time. I want to say it said strawberries and blueberries this time, and then more veggies as well. And I'm pretty sure the sunflower field is year-round. It was a lot of fun last time, and it was super cute. Don't judge us. But they had these really good donuts last time. And, Logan's already said he was gonna get one today. So if he's already breaking the cheat meal, he's already breaking into the cheat meals.
Tell them about the cheat meal.
But we have to be honest with the people. It doesn't matter, Willis.
Gosh.
A cheater's a cheater. I'm not gonna count it as cheating because they use real strawberries and real homemade ingredients, and it's healthy, okay? But yeah, we gotta get that donut again. It was delicious. It was like a donut that had strawberries baked into it, and then they give it to you like with a little of love on top.
Guys, is she picking the broccolini right? Like, she cutting it like with small stems. Like, is this how you pick broccolini?
I don't know. Do you know?
I don't know. I'm asking the people.
Go on Google.
Google? To see how to pick broccolini?
Yes.
Everybody here for the broccolini.
This is the only part you eat. That's why that's the only part I'm trying to grow.
You see?
Because it's based off weight.
You supposed to eat that?
We don't figure it out.
Hey guys, I just want to point out, turn on. You see, point out the lashes. We almost died. We almost died for them. So I had to make sure y'all don't see that.
Hell yeah. Look at her, she's purple. This one or this one?
Sound looks thicker. Really no ripping. Oh my god.
You gotta find the real juicy ones. Like this bad boy, she's juicy. Come to me. Oh yeah, real nice. This one looks nice too. Some of them look really nice, but some of them also look like they're not ready yet. I didn't know that this is what their flowers look like. Cute. Thick as hell. No, these aren't ready. These are real thick. Real thicky nickies. All of this is strawberries. All of it is strawberries. My berries. Guys, someone's been out here munching. Very munching. Was it you? I was gonna leave without a sunflower.
Yes.
No.
Yes, I did.
Absolutely not. Hey little bee. Hello buzz. Made some flowers. This one's Logan's. They got the big headed one. This is 20.
What?
And then these are mine. Let's see the label. Blueberry lemonade, and it's fresh.
Very.